So when I first started working here, documentation was pretty overwhelming and intimidating for me. But after some time and practicing it and having somebody help me with it, I got to see and understand more of the value of it and how it helps me with my thinking process and how valuable it is to kids to sort of revisit their work and how valuable it is for families to sort of see what their kid is working on at school and what they're like in their social environment.
Yeah. A big piece for me that I learned was making sure that the environment was set up to support our observing and documenting. And when we have the open-ended materials that support and extend the children's interests, then they're able to engage in that activity and really work through the relationships, and which gives us a turn to step back and write down what's going on and take a picture or two. And another thing that was really important that I started to realize over time was making sure the environment is also ready for us, that there's pens and papers, pencils, just available for us to grab and write down those moments. And then also having a backup battery for the camera and making sure the camera is in an accessible place also helped us, help me work with the environment to document what the kids were doing. And when we are able to document those moments, then it helps our system of documentation run smoothly, so we can convey to the family what's going on with the children and what they've been up to all day.
Yeah. Well, and setting up the environment for that way too helps so that not only can I observe the kids, but I can also observe you and see what it is that you're doing in the classroom. So when you're really focused on something that kids are learning, then I can be sure to keep my eyes on the whole group and know where they are and what they're doing, so you can focus on that,
Right.
not have to worry about everything else.
Yeah, I can stay engaged in that moment and really get the meat of it, so that way we can communicate that to the families.
For sure.
Great.